Our summer adventure was officially underway. With our first stop in Seligman and Route 66 behind us, it was time to head further west. Our plan was simple: keep the travel days short, settle back into the rhythm of life on the road, and see where the journey would take us. But before we could begin exploring California, we still had one more stretch of desert to cross. Crossing the Mojave, it was hard not to appreciate just how vast the American West really is. Mile after mile of open desert, rugged mountain, and endless highway stretch out in every single direction. It wasn't the kind of drive filled with big attractions or famous landmarks, but it was a chance to slow down, enjoy the journey, and look ahead to everything waiting for us as we crossed into California.
There's water in the river. There is.
Well, there's a lot of people on the river.
It looks so nice.
Ready?
Arizona, 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 California.
And just like that, we were officially in California. After days of desert driving, our next chapter was about to begin. With Arizona behind us, the next chapter of our summer adventure was officially underway. Barstow was only meant to be a quick overnight stop on our way west. We didn't really have anything planned out here, but once we arrived, we discovered a place that would end up being one of the biggest surprises of this leg of the trip.
Stay away from the oleander bushes. Poisonous if eaten. You hear that, Range?
No
After a day on the road, the dogs were more than ready to stretch their legs. We made sure to feed the campground warning about the oleander bushes and let them enjoy a little playtime. Despite the desert still holding on to nearly 100-degree heat, but before we could call it a day, something else caught the boys' attention. Another ghost town.
So what's Sadie doing?
Water! And some pool time, of course, to cool off. Before we started exploring, it helps to know what makes Calico so special. Founded in 1881, after one of California's richest silver discoveries, this was once a thriving mining town with more than 1,200 residents. Like so many boom towns of the American West, its fortunes rose quickly and disappeared just as fast. Today, its streets have been carefully preserved, giving visitors a chance to step back into a chapter of California's mining history. We made our way up Main Street. It didn't take long to see why Calico has become one of California's most popular ghost towns. From the weathered wooden storefronts to the surrounding desert hills, it felt like stepping back into the days of the Old West.
Oh, see that? That's an old school desk playground. That's how they sat, just like that.
Around every corner seemed to be another reminder of Calico's past. Some were exactly what we had expected. Others, like a house built entirely from glass bottles, caught us completely by surprise.
It's the Hobbit house.
Is there a dog toy? Is there? Yeah. There's no dog toy. One that's trash.
Haha.
Hey Dax, and that would be something to get to hold your rocks that you'll always remember that it says the places you're at.
Let me see.
No, I did it.
Nope.
The hat.
Nope.
I saw it.
I didn't feel nothing. It's a coffin for vampires. What is it?
We hadn't planned on hiking at Calico, but once we started exploring, the trail up to the Overlook was too good to pass up. The boys really hadn't done much hiking since last summer, so this unexpected little climb, especially in the triple-digit desert heat, turned out to be the perfect way to dust off our trail legs before some much bigger adventures in the weeks ahead. Looking back, we couldn't have asked for a better way to start the summer.
Nope.
From the streets below, Calico already felt
Oh yeah, it
impressive.
looked like it.
But it wasn't until we climbed above town that we really began to appreciate its size. Looking out across the buildings and surrounding hills, it was easier to imagine what this bustling mining community must have looked like during its peak.
All right, so it is the July Adventure Giveaway. This month we have our brand new t-shirt called the Journey Tee. We are going to be giving away one of those to a lucky winner. Head over to our website by scanning the QR code here. Remember, you have to enter each month for the giveaway. You'll be on the mailing list, but for each month, you do have to register for that specific giveaway. So again, click the QR code that's here on the screen, and that'll get you right over to the right spot. You'll have your choice of V-neck or a crew neck shirt, and in the 4 or 5 colors that are available on our merch shop. But if anybody else would like to go on and purchase, you can go ahead and do that at nomadstrekkn.com/merch. The winner will have 72 hours to claim and respond to our email, so please make sure that you enter our email address, which I'll put at the bottom of the screen here, as a safe sender, and that'll ensure that you get our email and it doesn't head over to your spam. Good luck!
As we made our way back down from the lookout and into the town, it was easy to see why Calico has become one of California's most popular ghost towns. Between its fascinating history, well-preserved buildings, and beautiful desert setting, it turned out to be much more than just a quick roadside stop.
Oh, look at this.
Looking back, we're really glad we decided to spend the afternoon here. What started as a simple overnight stop in Barstow turned into one of those unexpected discoveries that makes life on the road so rewarding. Sometimes the places you know the least about end up leaving the biggest impression.
Yeah, when you're bad, you have to wear that.
Yeah, I know. What guns?
Oh, I will listen to my parents. I will listen to my parents. So is that what you have to do? And go sit in the corner? And say that?
With Calico behind us, it was finally time to head toward LA. From the Santa Monica Pier to Hollywood and Universal Studios, the next chapter of our summer adventure was about to begin. And we couldn't wait to see what California had in store for us.
Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear.